Hang on, I gotta do my intro. G'day, you absolute legends. Stu here from UAVfutures, and we are out here. Let me tell you, this is not the video you're expecting, but it is the video you're going to want to see. It is an FPV video, however, oh my gosh, we're on. We're doing a little bit of fishing here, and my rod's going off. We're going to see what we get, but we're going to bring you along on an adventure. We're going to show you some stuff as well, and hopefully, yeah, okay, let me just get this in. All right, okay. Oh, it's going to break my rod. All right, let's get this.
That's a catch a flathead.
Well, I hope it's a flatty.
Oh, maybe another bullfish.
Could be a buffy. Oh no, it got off.
What
Did
is
it? Yeah, it got off. Alright, we've lost it, unless that was a mangrove jack. I can see a fish out there jumping around. Let's see, do we have a hook? Get out. Oh, he just took my bait. Anyway, sorry about that, bit of an exciting day. Oh, and you can tell us what happened to your rod at the end of this video, but let's jump in. We're going to talk about some backpacks, go on another adventure, have a fish off, and talk about some FPV. Okay, what do you want to tell us? What happened to you? What happened to you today? What is this on the ground behind us? It's all snapped into pieces.
My rod, I caught a stingray. It was like huge. It broke my rod into 3 pieces.
Yeah, so...
and I got very upset.
Yeah, we caught a stingray, unfortunately. Also a bullfed catfish. But her stingray was a bit too big and snapped her rod into a bunch of pieces. So anyway, all right, we're going to get back to fishing. You're going to enjoy this video, and let's cut to that. In 3, 2, 1, boop! Rightio, out here in the field, we've got Old Man Raven behind on the camera, and for a little bit different today, we are going to be doing some flying. We are also fishing, and I thought what better time to talk about my RDQ backpack. So what we've got here, the reason why this is sort of apt is, man, when I go fishing, this is my old RDQ backpack, and I thought this one just turned up in the post. What better time to do a bit of a comparison? Yeah, so this is the bad boy right here. If we open it up, well, I noticed that zipper's coming apart straight away, so I wonder if we can fix that bad boy. Not too bad. You can see all this part here, and this is how I've got my stuff sorted. Raven's checking at the fishing rods, seeing if anything's biting. This is basically what I'm flying today, so I don't know if you want to come in here. We have my Boxer radio. I'm going to be doing a little bit of stuff with DJI. Got my batteries, some Sky Zone stuff as well. Got 2 little drones in here. It does come with some little, like, I guess, extras, like these sorts of parts, but not enough. I do wish it had 2 of these pieces. I wish it had a little bit more. And the other difference is over here. This one at the side, I actually do prefer it when it opens up the side rather than from the top. I don't know why, just seems a bit different to this one. So this is the old version, which is full of all my fishing stuff in here. And I haven't put any hooks all through this end. This stuff has been really tough, the stuff that they do use. This one opens completely up. I kind of just like the side one there. I don't know why. I just find that keeps things a little bit more organized. I'm looking on these fishing rods too. How many fish you caught today, Raven?
None.
Yeah. How many have I caught? One little one. Oh yeah, a half. Too easy. All right. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to have Raven's thoughts as well. Now, what backpack do you currently use?
So I love,
okay, you got a legit camera bag.
I like the low pro
I'm
camera bags
get
for drones.
This stuff in the background, just in case a fish, you know, we do.
Yeah, well, I wanted to see how my stuff would fit in it, because I like quite small bags. I know a lot of people like that. So I've got...
You can feel free to take all my stuff out.
Batteries. And I've got a big radio too. So
yes.
Haven't snagged a boat yet.
Yes.
I see.
Yeah, see what I mean? Like, it's in this awkward spot. Don't you wish there could be one that sort of went down there or held that snug?
Do need an extra. I like an extra one usually, yeah.
Yes,
so I usually put my... So if you look at my one, I've got one there, but I've had to add those in. They didn't come with the bag.
Yes.
And then my goggles. I guess the quad, yeah.
I think there's something to be said with... and this is going to go for a lot of people out there. Don't always buy the biggest backpack. You don't need it.
No.
You really want the smallest backpack that's going to comfortably fit your gear. Look, I've got a bit because I take a lot of stuff out for reviews and filming. That's kind of why I do like the RDQ bags. Currently I've been flying an AU line backpack, and I can't wait to switch over to this because it's just too big for what I want to do.
But yeah, like I guess
look, it does come with more of these little things, just not the right sizes. So
all these extra pockets are good though. I like that because I haven't got any of that. I've got a little bit on mine.
Yes.
Like a probably see in there, but that's awesome.
And this stuff's pretty tough.
Because then I can put all that. Oh yeah, true. It's like a mesh for props.
Yep. And what do you think about the price for about $60?
$60 is amazing. Like that looks like more of a. Although like
that is on special at the moment. I think it might be 70 normally.
Still, it's not too bad really. If it's made for FPV, because FPV bags are generally really expensive.
Yes.
I won't say the brand, but we all know that one brand that starts with T. It's super expensive, and they're good bags, but I don't want to pay that much. I'd rather buy another drone, you know, and just. I know some people use a shopping bag, like we'll just use a plastic bag.
Yep.
So you don't have to fall in the trap of like paying heaps for a bag.
Budget all the way.
Yeah, as long as you keep protecting your radio, is the biggest thing. Radio and goggles.
Yes.
So the drones are made to be crap. So.
All right. Well, look. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed that small part of the review, which was the bag. We're gonna have a bit of a fish off right now.
Yeah, we want to get back to fish. Like.
I forgot my glasses, which is annoying. But we're gonna hit up a few different spots, bring you along, and we'll see what we can find. We'll see if we can give you some Aussie. You know what would be cool if we caught a bull shark. I don't know where they are in the rest of the world, but I don't. Yeah, that could be. That is in this river too. So I think we've had a few crabs on here. While we're doing the review, I bet you we've got no bait left. Let's see. I bet you reckon all 4 are empty. Do you reckon you got anything on yours?
Yeah, no, maybe.
All right, this one's been baited. We've got nothing on this one. I'm gonna sit that. Here's a little bit of fishing with UAV. I'm gonna slice it on the diagonal. Get a bit of that fish guts out. Now the head is a really easy one. What we're going to do, through the eye twice. Get that nice fish guts all over your hand. All the way through. Roll the hook in. Raven will be watching this back for some tips.
100%.
Look at that, nicely presented. Yum, yum, yum. To the moon.
Nice.
Too easy. All right, Raven's going to check his, cast out. We'll see who catches the most fish. The Kiwi or the Aussie.
Yeah.
That's one for you, one for me.
Should have been,
Are you still there?
putting up a fight.
Come here, little guy. Hey, hey. Oh, he didn't even eat your bait. Oh, he did. He ate some of it.
Yay.
So, yeah. That's bigger than my one, I think. I only had a little baby one.
We've got the same.
Love. Okay.
It's funny with brim, they give you a little fight, and then I didn't think there was anything. Oh, you're on. You're on.
Okay.
Alright, I'll swap you over.
Which one?
Middle one, white and blue.
You're probably just pulling my leg.
That was a decent little bite.
It's not whatever it is, it's not feeling big.
Nah.
I'm feeling crab.
Crab.
Now I think it's okay now.
Just as I was saying, oh, if we don't catch a fish, we bloody.
Yeah, it's one each.
That's what the universe does. I should turn this off.
Yep, sure. Well, this for a monster, you know, fish number 2.
Hold it up. Can you do it 2 hands?
Oh, it's so heavy. Alright, see you, buddy.
Catch and release. That's just a brim.
He's just chilling down here.
Oh, there he is.
He felt way bigger.
Fish
It's
number
tiny.
2.
Yeah, number 2.
Oh, first 3-1 now.
3-1. Alright, come on, Raven. Let's get rid of this bad boy.
Man, that's the biggest fish I've ever seen. Yeah, kiss it. So this is the next spot we found. It's actually, it's really nice. But we haven't caught anything here yet.
Alright.
Is this going to be the cast, Stu? You going to catch up?
I don't know how I feel about it. I really like the look of it, but nothing seems to be here. Devoid of life.
It is like a really peaceful spot.
Alrighty, so...
We had to move spots.
Yeah, we did again, but I think this is going to be the last one of the day. How many fish did you catch, Raven?
Just one.
Just one. 4 to 1.
4 to 1, smashed.
Yeah, alright.
It's the only thing Australia can win these days, I think.
Alright, we'll put this bad boy back. Oh, what's going on? Is there anything?
No.
Oh.
That was a big one though, eh? Alright, I'll put it out one more time.
Oh, we gotta go. I gotta bring my grandma up, and you know, it's hard when you're a lady living by yourself. And I said, we'll take you out for tea. I'm meant to be there in half an hour, and Raven's still fishing.
Yeah, no, fuck it, let's go.
Yeah, we gotta go. I can't let old grandma down. Alrighty, what was the final score? You almost had one then at the end.
Right at the end.
Right as we're leaving.
The last cast, 4 to 1.
Yeah, that's...
You got a crab too. So
yeah, okay, 4 to 1 plus a crab. It was a good day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the bit of the backpack discussion. This was more of an adventure. What else we see? Oh, some dude shooting up in the bush.
Yeah, we see some heroin,
you know,
like some homeless people live in the park.
Yep,
So.
just coming out with some bandages and blood running down their arms. That's always good fun. But on that, subscribe for more FPV related occasional fishing content.
Stu's going off to take his nana to
tea. Yeah, no, I actually am. So So ever since my granddad died, I've been trying to spend more time with my grandma. And one of the things I've decided to do is we like to go try, well, they're new cuisines for her. So I come down like every week or 2 weeks or something, and I take her out to a restaurant, a cuisine she hasn't tried. So we're going to be doing Korean barbecue tonight. So too easy. All right, subscribe for more FPV related content. Join my Patreon, you know, just because you like the channel. And as always, Raven's got some final words.
Happy flying.